hey, what's going on? Let me finish snugging these up and I'll get back with you, all right? Oh yeah, and it's Firebird Friday! Welcome to Turnin and Burnin, your #1 channel, all things blue collar. And welcome to another Firebird Friday. If this is your first time, you're in for a treat. Or maybe not, maybe I'm gonna bore you, I don't know. But if you've seen this before, thanks for watching again. As you can see, I got a big smile on my face. She is sitting on all 4 tires. I got the new subframe clip bolted in place. And today I'm gonna do a walk around and show you how I put this subframe in. Every single day we're getting a little bit closer and a little bit closer to getting this girl painted, running, hitting the road. So let me show you a little bit on this subframe and kind of what I did. All right, I'm gonna do a little walk around right here and show you what I did. I did not video putting this in. Mainly because it wasn't really too interesting. It wasn't too difficult. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough and show you how I put this subframe in. This is a checkered racing subframe. The reason I purchased this was kind of due to price. I priced a whole bunch of them out and I really like the price range of this. And if you look in the other videos, I'll link it up here so you can check it out. You can see when I unboxed it and how it came to be. But this is the subframe right here. We'll get some up close and personal videos right here. When this came in, this was all put together. What I did is I had to go ahead and put the spindles on, and that's what I did before. I put everything together that you see here. Bolted it all up to make sure that everything fit up in place. And pretty much what I did was kind of lucky. I have a forklift over there. I placed the subframe on a pallet, and what I did is put the car on jack stands to where she was sitting a little bit higher than this, and I slid the forklift underneath here, picked it up, lined the holes up. As y'all saw in the video when I removed it, these subframes are pretty simple because you can see right here they have one bolt in the back right underneath where your seat is. You come up a little bit further towards the front and you have another bolt right up here. Here's your tire. You have the other bolt right here. You see where the 2 bolts are? There's 2 underneath the seat, and then there's these 2 right up here. So like I said, I slid it up underneath, hot bolted it, didn't bolt them up super tight, and then I went ahead and put the tires on. Like I was saying, I had everything bolted up. I left some items loose, but I got everything bolted up really well, and I went ahead and put the tires on. Like I said in another video, on the rear end, these are not the tires I'm going to be using. These are tires that I had on the car. So I'll go ahead and put those on for mock-up. And once I did that, let everything back down, let it sit on the ground the way it is. And then wasn't 100% sure how I was going to check square. So I took a couple common places from like up here to right here on both sides, check measurements there. Anywhere that I could check measurements to make sure she was square. And once I got everything within, I'm pretty much within a 1/16 all the way around, pretty much as close as I can be, I went ahead and snugged all these bolts up. And then once I did that, I went ahead and checked everything else, made sure everything else was nice and tight. So I know that was kind of quick, just kind of showed you what I did. I wanted to show an update of what she looked like. And I think really the only way that you are going to be able to see how everything looks is if I get the camera in there kind of nice and tight, do a couple pan shots and show you all the way around what she is looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, but stick around because I'm going to put a little bit of cool music and just give you a kind of a view, get inside close, kind of wrap around so you can see everything in the way that she looks. And I'll go ahead and show some of the rear end as well. Get some lights underneath there and kind of show some of that because I didn't show that in the last video very well. So thank you for watching. Thank you for following along in this journey. I know this was a really quick video, but I wanted to get an update because now that this is in, the next thing is going to be sitting that 455 engine inside there, giving her heart so she can start beating. All right, watch this montage because I am not dragging up, but I'm gonna roll on up out of here. Peace. Hey DJ, kick that music.